Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your history on Yelp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and do a surprise reservation for someone, and you need to go ahead and clear your history. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into Yelp. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on the Me icon. Then once you're here, you want to go and scroll all the way down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Clear History and then click on Clear History again. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and clear your history on Yelp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.